Good day! In this tutorial, I will tell you about the single scan tab in examination. Okay, let's select examination from the examination list and see what do we have there. We are an examination card. This is information about the patient, and by default, we're in a single scan. Single scan tab consists of OCT severity detection map with an option to browse through scans like this and select a specific one. So once examination is uploaded, the scans are classified based on the degree of the pathology found. Therefore, there is a filter by severity order. Here you have all scans, green scans with normal retina, yellow of moderate concern with slight deviations, and red is of high concern that needs to be reviewed further. These are the arrows to change scan selection, and from here you can see the quality of the scan. Platform detects low-quality scans automatically and warns about the possibility of inaccurate results. Scan number. Right now we're looking at the 67th scan from 128 scans in examination. This is a selected scan that we're reviewing now. You can add particular scans to the favorites, like this. Also, you can review a particular scan in its original size with the help of this zoom button. These are the circles that present layer thickness, average, single, multiple, and some particular layer thickness. And this is segmentation of 10 retinal layers with an option to select single or multiple layers. Okay, hope this was helpful and see you in the next tutorial.